Hello, in front of me I've got STK Life 9. In this video I'll show you how to hide pattern line. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to security and location. Enter screen lock, select pattern and draw your pattern. Now tap the settings button next to screen lock and switch make pattern visible off. As you can see right now, my pattern is hidden. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.